Hello everyone, my name is Amatulla Tinwala and I am the founder and creative director at Wedding Graphers and Ancan Shutters. I have been associated with Yogic Gurukul since the early 2023. I have done my bachelor's in mass media and a dual diploma in photography and videography, and I have been pursuing this since the last 8 years. And I am also a part of the content creation team for Yogic Gurukul. So all the movement-based videos such as the yoga video, the 108 Surya Namaskar challenge, the dance videos are shot by me, and they are recently uploaded on the YouTube channel. And it was a wonderful experience shooting with the team all in all, and the students were amazing. I'm looking forward to shooting more content for Yogic Gurukul and explore the world of yoga, health and fitness. And then of course, I'll be able to call myself a techno-savvy yogi. Looking forward to seeing you in the upcoming YouTube videos. Until then, take care.